Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show and tell you how to reply to a specific post in Instagram. Write whether my solution helped you, whether you managed to do so. And if you still have any questions, write in the comments, and I will definitely read, I will answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Instagram. After that, we click here on the home page. We make a swipe to the right. We have a message. We enter some correspondence. And if we want to respond to some message specifically, let's say there is a voice message that a person sent me. I take it and press it. And here is reply, click here. Thus here, we have written that we can write something on a specific message. Let's say hello and a smiley face. And then you can see that we have a message and we've replied to it. Or we can swipe to the right, just swipe. Write any message and send. And we can also reply to that voice message specifically. That's the easy way. Tell me if my solution helped you or not. If you like this video, like it, comment. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.